27th, philosopher Sant Shree Dnyaneshwara and Sant Shree Tukaram Endowment Lecture Series and Orientation Program 2022.
My topic today is growth and inequality, so I'll make some remarks. Mr. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, you might know him as one of the leaders of the independence movement and also president of the Congress party for some time. But before that, he was an academic. He taught for 20 years in Ferguson College. I think he taught mathematics. He took early retirement to be in public service. He was a member of the Provincial Assembly, Jalapanas, we will call Vidhan Sabha today, but it was called the Provincial Assembly. So he actually entered public life. Later on, he became a member of the, Provincial Council, and later on he became a member of the Imperial Council. In fact, he occupied the seat vacated by none other than Dadabhai Nauroji. And therefore, he used to be the person who had the first opportunity to respond to the budget presentation in the UK Parliament. And his comments were often seen as very sharp and critical. So I'm told that even Lord Keynes, who's one of the stalwarts of the 20th century, an economist, has mentioned Mr. Gokhale's contribution in the field of economic analysis. But of course, his contribution is much greater in India's independence movement, in India's commitment to constitutionalism. So on that, I want to wish you all a happy Constitution Day today. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947, as defined in modern times. We gained independence or freedom in 47, but we gained responsibility in 1950 on 26 January. So first came freedom and then came responsibility. There is no freedom without responsibility. That day is 26 January, and 26th November 1949 is the day on which the final draft of the Constitution was approved by the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly of India deliberated for 2.5 years about what should be the rules. We are all coming together as an independent nation, as a society. How should we conduct with each other? आपण एक दुसऱ्यांना शिव्या द्यायच्या की नाही? In a lighter vein. How should we conduct ourselves? So that is the Constitution of India. The spirit of the Constitution, as you know, is fundamentally freedom. Freedom. The four, the sort of very intrinsic principles of justice, of liberty, म्हणजे freedom, equality, fraternity, federalism, म्हणजे a federal republic. So all this is enshrined in this Constitution, which our founding fathers discussed for almost 2.5 years. Everything that we discuss today, every debate, whether it is the Uniform Civil Code or whether it is the economic quota for economic weaker sections, everything that is being discussed today, which seems to be topical, you will be surprised to find it in our Constitution. So today we celebrate the Constitution Day, and I want to remind you that Mr. Gokhale was a committed constitutionalist, and as Dr. Chitnis said, Mahatma Gandhi considered Gokhale to be guru, but perhaps you also know that not only Mahatma Gandhi, but Muhammad Ali Jinnah also considered Gopal Krishna Gokhale to be his guru. He famously said that I would like to be remembered as the Muslim Gokhale. So, that is the tradition that we have inherited, and it is up to us to uphold, and not just uphold, but to enhance, strengthen, and deepen our constitutionalism.